Hi, my name's Tommy, and I'm the writer of the book of the Explorational Journeys, Part 1, in a self-help guide. I hope everyone has really had a lot of insight regarding to our previous chapter, but now we're on to our new chapter, which is Chapter 2, and it's realizing I was enough. So chapter overview is exploring the transformational journey of embracing self-worth and letting go of the self-doubt. This guide provides actionable activities designed to help you shift from seeking external validation to recognizing your intuitive and instructional value through self-compassion, reflection, and connection. You can uncover the truth of you are really enough just the way you are. So yes, you realize that you was enough, and you will always will know that through these upcoming 8 activities for this chapter. So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and stay tuned for the upcoming video.